Alright, there is... Alright, oh, okay, that's not a bad pick. Keys, you have to let me know. So that's Big Red. Up on, still on the same corner. Is that a pretty good pick, Keys? Yep, so this is the other side of her. So we got the front side now. We had the back side. Oh, her feathers are poofing. Hopefully I caught some nice things of Easy there so you could see him. Did you catch any of that stuff? Okay. All right, so yep. Okay, so you know what? Jean has Easy. Shall I move over and try to point you on Easy? Okay. Tell you what. Before we do that, let's see. Okay, Mommy. Oh, that's our mama. Oh, still pretty dark. So, okay. All right, try to give you guys a little bit of a close-up. I'm not sure the quality's so hot. Yeah. Boy. Come on, Mama, I'm going to see you better than that. Ooh, 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 she's looking. What you looking at, Mommy? Oh, ooh, oh. Oh, that's Daddy.